Yeah, back in effect, you know, it's Quiet the Movement. Everybody's in the building. My man Bags, C Money, Bug, Jay Nice over there, you know what I'm saying? So, we got a lot of things in motion, you know? First topic, my man Bags got that Chester's Finest coming out, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get that In My Bags Volume 1 first, you know what I'm saying? Because in order to understand the story and everything that's going on, man, you gotta get that one first to follow through the Chester's Finest, you know what I'm saying? Fire. I'm not gonna lie to you, you know what I'm saying?
I got bars for days, I promise you. You know what I'm saying? I don't even do too much talking, man. All I do is spit and get money. You know what I'm saying? Quiet the movement.
My man Jay Nice got the booth over there, you know what I'm saying? Studio time, whatever's going on. My man Nice, you got something to say to the people?
No.
So, you can hit him up on Facebook, since my man don't want to talk, you know. Hit him up on Facebook if you want to make books, studio time, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to do. Anything, you know what I'm saying? The clothing line popping, you know what I'm saying?
You got the hoodie on, though. You got the hoodie on.
We got hoodies on. You know what I'm saying? Cameraman got one of the hoodies on too, you know. I'm gonna let you see something over here. Can't see nothing because it's kind of dark, but yeah, that's fresh right there.
You already know what it is.
You know, get the back of that. Get the back. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's clean, man. That's clean. Other than that,
Now, as far as the spitting go, I be like, chat. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all something real life. This real life.
see if you can turn that light
Yeah,
on.
pass me weed. I'm about to spit track. Start off smoothly, sorta like Romeo and Juliet with killer instinct. I can tell you I'm the best and look you dead in your eyes and won't blink once. They straight cunts and I give them what the street wants. That new crack rock, white like Matlock. You should give me props cause they full like laptops. I'm the best now, type me in, Google me, all over the tube. They don't show up, truancy. Spit it fluently, they know it's nothing new to me cause I done seen it all, even shit that wasn't cool to see. That's why I'm doing me cause they be in the way, and if I can't get a gig, I'm like shit, crime pay. My mind state is to get more cash and never sit on my ass, I got to get that fast. And so I wake up early like the birds do. In the booth, I'm the truth with the verbal. Smoking purple, that haze put me right there. Off 2 puffs, I get a buzz like light, yeah. Long as the mic near, I'ma spit flames on it. They call me Bag, so I gotta put my name on it. Most of all, my heart cold like Arkansas. Or Alaska, disaster to these rappers. They all whack, hit they back like chiropractors. But this ain't no massage, cause they live in the facade. Thanking God, cause I'm happy I'm alive. Cause I've been through plenty nights where I almost could've died. Haters looking at me like I never should've tried. But I prepared a question for that, and that's why. Why the fuck you mad at me for? Or what I do to you, I'm doing me the usual. I can't wait on another man, so brother man, you can't have one plan, you need another man. And on the other hand, it's family involved, and that'll give you crazy thoughts of getting hammers involved. Ride for the cause, the bars that be under my drawers, they have me on some tweaking shit. Ready to draw, ready for war. Of course I'm a stand-up nigga. And if you feel the same, put your hands up, nigga. I'm bigger than these other dudes, but I'm still slim, no. I was bold, never told on none of my kinfolk. It's simple, it's all up in the mental. And if you talking crooked, I'ma run up in your dental. Get low, then I pop up like a pimple. Bending guys like Enterprise, I'm in the rental. Flows hotter than fish grease. When him speaks, it's so neat, you can see it and believe it. I'm still chasing them goals, I'm gonna achieve it. And if she say the kid is my son, I tell her beat it. Like Michael did. It's a cycle, kid. My pop's gone, we ain't never get along. That's why I'm recording these songs to keep me holding on. A lot of times I think that I'm right, but still know it's wrong. I still know I'm on the top, but I'm from the bottom. These rap niggas say they hot, but I really got them. They better stop acting hard for them goons. Start spraying in the world saying somebody shot them. But that night, they won't never find the right lead. I had you tucked somewhere under nice leaves. And they might be yellow cause I'm mellow. Have them stinking from them shots, I ain't talking about jello. So say hello to the new man, I'm here. 2010, I'm going in, and this is my year. quiet you, I ain't never been scared. So see me at the top, I'ma meet you right there. Yeah.